Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 USB printer not detected error. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type msdt.exe /id printer diagnostic. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open printer spooler service. Change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is, right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update printer driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.